Nakumbuka tulipoingia hapa ilikuwa mchanga kama hii. Na ilikuwa tu viazi, unaona wakulima wameweka viazi zao. Wewe ukiona hiyo safari yenye tumetembea, unaona ni nini ambacho kilifurahisha wakulima wakaweza kushikilia huu mradi.
Mimi hata nilipoona mara ya kwanza wakati mlikuja, mimi sikudhania ati mko serious hivyo. Sikudhania hivyo. Lakini baada ya kukaa kidogo, nikaona kumbe hawa ni shirika la mama ambayo huwezi wachezea.
Wezesha CBO is based here in Nakuru. It is a women-led organization that is doing great work, restoring landscapes, and now moving on to grow trees with farmers on farm. One thing that we have as Wezesha women is a passion for restoration. Our approach as Wezesha, we first put these farmers through a training. We talked to them about what agroforestry is, what trees are available in this Terra Fund project, what the benefits of each tree are, than when they just do monoculture and grow maize year in, year out.
Shamba yangu ni kidogo, sio kubwa vile, lakini wakati nilielezewa niliona ni kubwa, nikiitunza venye inastahili. Mimi nilikuwa nafikiria yani kupanda miti ni kama kutupa shamba. Wakati nilifunzwa niliona umuhimu itanisaidia baadaye. Kwa vile walikuja kutufunza, mimi walinitoa mbali. Sasa nimejua umuhimu ya hii shamba yangu itaweza kunisaidia hata siku zijazo, hata vichukuu vitafikia hiyo mapato yenye nitaanza kupata kutoka wale.
We are going to reach close to 1,500 farmers and impact on the lives of our community members, particularly women, in a positive way.
Wezesha as a CBO have done a lot in terms of restoring degraded sites within Dundori. So far they have planted more than 500,000 seedlings, and they have done a lot because they have empowered the community through a lot of training on the importance of planting trees and taking care of them.
Our collaboration with other partners, the county government, the Kenya Forest Service, and our community leaders, the CFA, has been great. In a few years, it will just be so beautiful, and the birds will come singing again. And together with that, all the biodiversity that is associated with indigenous trees in our community. But also when we look at the trees that we have grown so far in schools, we go back to schools, and when you talk to the children, they can name for you many indigenous trees. And when we go back there, they'll tell you there is Mutarakwa, there is Cedar, there is Olea, there is Prunus africana. So that's also another milestone for us, because we are changing a generation from that young age to appreciate the indigenous trees that used to grow in our community. For us, that's the most gratifying thing, that dream that we had is slowly coming to reality thanks to the partners that have come and believed in us, like the Terra Fund for AFR 100 and other funders.